G'day, it's Andrew Mahnken. We're located here in Glengarry West in Gippsland, Victoria. We've got about 130 acres here now. We're running a mixture of purebred red Angus and crossed with a red shorthorn to get the dark red colour. We've got a few black ones in the mix as well. Over the next few years I want to get it up to, I don't know, probably 300 head in total. I bought the place run down. It had pretty much no infrastructure, all the fences were buggered, whatever, so we've been around and replaced all that and obviously needed a set of yards. I had looked at other ones around the area. I'd ordered a set that the delivery kept getting delayed and I just happened to see that the Pari had on a social media post and just done a contacting and that just sort of happened from there. But I think the timeline they said was around 11 weeks, I think it was, from time of order, and that was spot on. Young Ben that came and fitted them up set the yards up, was a real gem. Like, just plodded away, real good guy. Nothing was a problem to him, and it works really good. I really like the safety features. You know, I'm all about the safety side of things, and it's pretty much a one-man show. Runs it quite well. You can't really get into trouble. Initially, when we first inquired about it, the guy, Almanzo, he came, it didn't come out, it was all done online, just with Google Maps and whatever, and picking the site and whatever, and then there's a bit of backwards and forwards with changing orientation and whatnot, and it all sort of went from there. In the original layout and design of the yards, there was a lot of options with the crushers, and obviously safety being the key for myself and I guess vets and the cattle. We went with the Lenta squeeze crush with all of the options. That's still manual, but it's very easy to use from each end, and obviously the weigh scales were put in at the last minute. I'd forgotten those early, but it didn't take long. I didn't hold anything up, and it's a nice big screen, easy to see, and yeah, it all works really well. Yeah, now that we've run them through 5 or 6 times, they're obviously it's not so bright and clean and shiny. They run through a lot easier now than what they did before. Just pretty much know where they're going and what's going on without getting too stirred up. Now we put in a laneway, a tapered laneway that leads into it, and they come straight in, no dramas, into the middle pen and straight into the Seaforce yard, no dramas. Very little balking or trying to turn around or whatever. No, works really well. Yeah, I wanted obviously the catwalk up the side, so you're not reaching over the race for safety reasons again. And the steps, it was just a bit too high to have without a step. So we put the steps on, like, you know, and it's just there's nothing. You don't feel like you're straining your knees or going to break your leg or anything. So it's from the very start, from the original inquiry through the design and picking the layout, all the different options, and then when we ordered. The updates, so we got quite a few phone calls to know where they were, and when they were going to be, and when they'd left New Zealand and whatnot, and right through to when it was fitted up. There was no dramas. There was a few changes we made, put a few extra panels in to make more use of the slab we put around it. Yeah, just no dramas. Almost a breeze all the way through. This is the first set of yards I've had, and. But from the experience I've had with the Pari guys and ladies, that and from the safety features around the yard and the ease of operation, I'd recommend them to anyone.